Welcome to the channel and welcome to A Walk with Caribbean E. So let's cruise with Caribbean E as he takes us to yet another beautiful part of Santiago near La Trinitaria. So here we are on Avenida República de Argentina in Santiago, a beautiful walkway that leads you to an overpass with a stunning architectural view. So let's take a walk as we cruise with Caribbean E. And now as we cruise with Caribbean E, we're going to see what the Mayor of Santiago has been up to as he's commissioned many artists to beautify the beautiful city of Santiago, showing the hard work and where the economy truly comes from in this beautiful island of plenty. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that subscribe, hit notifications. Always give this and all videos a thumbs up because hitting subscribe and thumbs up is the free and easy way to patron the channel. And remember that all information is always underneath every video. And we'll see you on the next video.